Watch. Eat that motherfucker tilted, dog.
Hey, that shit ain't fucking funny, motherfucker.
Like I said, wait. That motherfucker tilted, dog.
You guys are stupid. God, man, this guy's a shot.
That was tight, huh? That was tight right there.
I didn't see shit.
You didn't see nothing?
I didn't see shit. I saw
you didn't get nothing.
I thought it was a fucking spark. Hell no, you said tilted my ass around, shit. My ass ran. Fuck that.
Mario.
Yeah.
Mario.
Hey, why don't we go do it under the light or something?
Under the light?
Over here.
Hey, wanna go over there? Middle of the block?
Hell no, I ain't gonna send
in the middle. Oh, yeah, the sidewalk. You know?
Where?
Right there in the middle of the sidewalk. Huh? The light right there.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Watch it.
Aim up. Oh.
Oh god damn, dude, that shit scared the fucking. Fuck that.
I thought it was a gun.
Oh, fuck that shit.
Every one of them is different.
Yeah.
That's tired.
How did you feel?
Felt fucking good, eh?
Stupid. Alright. Yeah.
One more. Two more. You want to do that? You got two.
How many you got?
Here you go. Oh, you got 5 minutes, huh? Okay. Is it going to go?
Who is that, George?
I've been wanting to blow shit up all fucking day long.
Are you drunk?
In there.
Oh, Happy New Year, man.
Oh yeah, motherfucker TNT and shit. Fucking bomb.
Hey, look, Joker.
It's a TNT.
Martha. Yeah. Turning, huh? Yeah.
For what?
Huh?
Hey, maybe we have to have a permit to do this.
For that big?
No, they wouldn't sell them at Walmart. Hey, they wouldn't sell them at Walmart.
Oh, they sold it at Walmart?
Yeah, they have.
Yeah. They wouldn't.
They have packs of shit bigger than you.
How much was that one?
I don't know.
How much was that one at Walmart?
My homie gave it to me. I didn't pay for shit.
You know what? It probably sent out like those shot. You know what I'm saying, huh? When they shoot, boom, and that's how they reach.
Saying that you were shooting out puertas and shit?
Yeah, but that last one was largo, huh?
Fucking tell me you're shooting it off of my house. Let me see the receipt from Walmart, though. I haven't seen Walmart,
Yeah, he's drunk.
No, there's a Walmart in Mexico, bro.
He's drunk.
Oh, there's a Walmart. Oh, that's different. That's feature TNT.
He's drunk.
Hey, whose is this, Justin?
Huh?
Whose is this?
What?
This one. The car. Yeah?
Yeah, it's fine. Man.
That's fucking bad.
I just bought it, but they kept the back window though.
What you want for it?
About 7,000. We could make a deal since you're my neighbor. It runs. Hey, it runs and it got the AC. I know it doesn't help right now, but in summer it will.
Bro, as long as that motherfucker runs.
Hey, 7,000 bucks.
Is this the one that was in the back?
Yeah.
It's been back there that whole time?
Yep. I'll turn some cushions for the thing in the back. What's it called? Vaccine is it there?
How long you had it back there?
A minute.
A minute, huh?
Shit, I don't know. I was hot. No, I'm just kidding. God damn, my fucking. Yeah, because he was helping work on it here.
Yeah.
I just drive the damn thing.
Huh?
I don't want to even do that actually.
What about Mr. Something blow up?
Yeah.
The Russians gonna bang. Ah! Watch out.
Boom. God damn. Shit. Okay, that was.
Little fucking pelican.
Shotgun
Yeah,
blast.
that is like a shotgun, huh?
Those ones stay. They stay in there. These ones go. These ones are the ones that shoot up.
Yeah.
What about these though? That one
Who's
goes up.
that? Oh, that Robin?
That one goes up. The square one stays.
My pants are falling. Here, someone hold the camera. Hold the
you got me on camera? Oh,
Man. Yo, what are you talking about? We got you on
you
camera.
better edit this shit. Did you edit?
You're the main.
I don't want to see me on YouTube.
Well, yeah, you actually.
Orale, Freddy. You get
I ain't lighting shit. I don't want to.
Light it,
Shit.
Freddy. Do it.
No, yeah, watch it blow up in my face. I'm not taking chance on ruining my sexy.
Hey.
See, he told you.
Want light one?
I like it.
Yeah, you go light. Let the drunk guy light it.
Let the baby light
Let
it.
the drunk guy light it. He can stand there and wait till. Let the drunk one light it. Looney Toonies.
So that's what you call you, Looney? Fucking Mario. You see him? You see that fool? You're like, what's that?
Oh shit. What?
I didn't know they said that shit at Walmart. I would have went to Walmart instead.
Run, Mario, run! Run, Holmes, run!
Oh, you don't have nothing. You scared me more than you can.
I'll pause.
Hey. I told you. Dude, my fucking hands are cold, dude.
It's a cold on me.
Shit.
Really a fucking ball.
I got one in the back.
Bring them up, the fuck? They're back they're kicking or what? Yeah.
They listen to Mexican music, but I got bonfire going.
Is it one or the other?
I'm gonna hold that motherfucker like a little fucking bazooka launcher. You could, huh? You could. I am right now.
Launching shit into the house.
Oh, no, yeah. It's what it could. Shoot that shit up. Those should go live. I've seen those triggers go for flames.
That's paranoia. It's alright, they're legal. Okay, I'm going inside. It's fucking cold.